Yeah, nagkaroon yun and then kasi ang iniisip ng player is he wants to to win. He wants to win by playing a lot of times. But as a coach, I know what's happening. Okay? Because we're after to the flow of the game. But knowing CJ, ibabalik at ibabalik ko siya. So, what happened is because of that incident, so, na-refocus siya. And makita niyo naman siya. Nakita niyo kanina talagang ayaw patalo. And that's the kind of player na we want to have. Especially in this kind of championship, makikita niyo. In last possession, lahat sa kanya ko binigay. Although that play is not for him, because we're after sa a quick 2 or quick 3, but he has the opportunity. And that kind of shot, ginagawa niya sa practices sa game. Makikita natin eh. That's why, nung pataas pa lang bola, palagay ko papasok ito. And then, nakinig yung nasa taas natin. And I'm so happy for his guts.
Sige, nung fourth quarter pala, 6 of 6 ka. So, parang yung game 6 na 12 of 12. Pero ngayon, fourth quarter naman, mga bibigat pa yung
Actually, ginawa ko lang naman kung ano yung makakaya kong gawin. And yun na. Struggle sa first half. Yung ginawa ko lang yung sa mga coaches sa akin. And yun, nag-response lang ako kung ano yung binibigay sa akin ng rest ng mga coach.